on a quick one-nighter down the old winter camp. It's been blowing a blizzard coming down here, which is a bit cold, but we've just had a bit of sunshine now, so I've got a few things together. There's only a couple of hours daylight left. It's about 4 o'clock, and like I say, I'm only down here for one night. Anyway, I'll pan you around. I haven't really packed heavy, so I'll pan you around and tell you what's going on. The cold wind, when it's blowing, is blowing right into TP, and if it's going to stop that way, it's going to be a cold night in there. I bought a couple of knives, I bought some fat balls, I bought a couple of these 2 lamb henries. I don't know what's in gravy. You boil them in about a couple of taters, some porridge bread, and a cooking set. In here, I'm going to stop in here tonight. I've used that tarp that Dave Sourbuts gave me. I'll put it up against here ready to stop, like with the wind coming this way. And I'm going to try a different sleep system. It is a cold. I think it's March. I don't know, mid-March. In here I've just got softies, but what I'm going to try tonight is just the jungle sleeping bag, and I am going to try this sleeping bag that's left down here. Put that in that. I priced it up in Tesco, it's 20 quid that is, so I am going to have a night on there and a night on his airbed. You know, all the stuff that's been left down here. And see if it's warm. If it's not, I could always get the old quilt out. I've had a week and a half off work, and I've been like taking dog for a walk. I've got a few bits of fat wood to try there. They're just fat wood logs. I'll just split them and burn them. There's not much fat wood in them, so I'll give that a go. Gonna get a fire together while it's not raining or snowing. I've turned that bench round, and get on with the camp. Well, I'm getting some serious snow in this weak spot here, so I'm going to have to sort that out. We've got them blizzards coming back, going through some wood. Well, for dinner I'm going to try some of these. They're dirt cheap. They're £2.75 from a well-known, very cheap shopping shop. You can either microwave them or boil them, so I'm gonna boil mine. And there's a couple of taters there. They're McCain taters that you just like wrap in some paper, throw it in fire. some gravy. Now with this, it comes with some rosemary and mint gravy. So it's a couple of them, a couple of taters with gravy, and I think I'll have an early night. Well, here's a £4 meal. You get 2 of these lamb Henrys in a pack, plenty of gravy with it. You get 4 McCain's baked potatoes for £1 for a pound, and that's what you get on that lamb Henry. So I've got 2 of them, and I brought 2 potatoes and a slab of bread. So that'll work out as a £4 meal. And there we are. And just for good measure, a bit of rosary gravy and mint. Some bread. Well, that's what you want on a cold night. A bit of lamb and lamb fat. That is lovely. That sauce is dead nice, rosemary and mint. Well, in all honesty, that was quite tasty. You did get as much bone as what you got as meat. Some of the meat were a bit fatty, but I like fatty lamb. But quite good. Sauce lovely, and 2 of them potatoes, and I'm quite full. Can't manage that. So I'm going to finish my coffee and build fire up, have an early night. Well, this is home for night. I'm making use of what's down here. So it's on the air bed that I haven't blown up at all. I'm going to use a sleeping bag, but my main bag is going to be this summer bag. It's supposed to get cold. I'm going to see what this is like. If worse comes to worse, I can go and get a quilt from out at TP. This has dried out pretty well. Well, it's bone dry. I'm using loads of wood. Dinner were beautiful. I'm just going to stoke fire up. I've left some bread out for mice. I'm going to lay in there with a cup of coffee, chill out. Morning. Well, this sleep system didn't work too bad. I got to bed about 10. We have had a bit more snow through the night. It was coming quite heavy at times. But, well, it's only about 6 o'clock, so I'm going to get another hour. See what happens. Well, there's a bit of snow that's got in there, but apart from that, there's a good few inches fell really. A few tracks right bread. A bit of snow on top. Well, it's nearly 9 o'clock and on phone it says it's -3 and well, to be honest, I should be out here at Gunner's Side with Rat Pack lads yesterday. I'm dying to know how they got on. I've just seen Mark, a few things on the Instagram from Mark. I don't know whether they had to abandon camp or what. I'll give him a ring later. But anyway, I'm going to have to get up. It keeps snowing a bit and this tarp is about ready for falling in. So I'm going to have to make a move. My feet are just starting to get a bit cold in here, but apart from that, this summer sleeping bag and this 20 quid Tesco bag that left down here has been pretty sound. Anyway, I'm going to have to get up. There's a good bit of snow on there, so I think it's best if I got up and got it off. Well, there is a good few inches that's fell, and last night with that weak spot, what I did, I just put that on the blow up bed to stop it coming in. Right, I'll get a brew on. Well, everything's froze up. Fingers are freezing. Well, that's breakfast. Coffee and porridge. Well, I'm going to finish this coffee and have a slow pack up. We're having bits of snow flurries now and again. TP's a complete whiteout. Just going to get myself another porridge on and get myself off. See you in a bit. Waiting to melt up ice out in pans. Solid. Well, I've stopped longer than where I planned actually. I've took everything down, packed everything away. I'm about ready to close everything up. That worked pretty well last night. As you can see, we've had a good bit of snow, and it's surprising when you're out here and when you get back into shelters, you know, how much you can feel like rising temperature. But anyway, I'll show you around. Not as though you need to, but I'll be on my way. Well, in here you've got that airbed. That airbed's held up pretty well to see how long it's been down here. It's I never pumped it up last night. I've put quilt back in, keeping them there. They come in pretty handy. I've got plans for them later. Used loads of wood last night. Really burnt a lot. In here, in TP, I mean, you can see. I mean, I changed that last night. You can see how much snow fell overnight. In TP, same as them, just food, quilts, a bushcraft bag, and in kitchen area, got my bag packed, got my rubbish, got my strap down there, coat that I leave down here, and I've put the other bed there, blow up bed. Worked well last night as a snow stop. So anyway, I'll close it all up. Well, that's it. I'm all packed away. Everything's battened down. Just got my rubbish there. See ya. All kitchen areas packed up. Right, it's Sunday, 18th of March, and I think this will be the last of snows. So hopefully spring's going to start creeping in as soon as this is gone. It's been a good quick overnighter really. I've enjoyed this camp. I'm glad I got another one in each snow. It's what they were built for, winter camps. And right, I'll go on my way. So till next time, bye.